WoodWorks software is a high-value, low-cost wood structural design software that enables our customers to quickly engineer light frame and heavy timber construction based on the latest codes and standards. WoodWorks software consists of 3 programs: Sizer, Shear Walls, and Connections, which enables our customers to accurately size beams, columns, joists, wall studs, shear walls, and wood-to-wood, wood-to-steel, and wood-to-concrete connections. Our software is primarily used by structural engineers. However, the Sizer program has a broader audience that also includes designers, architects, building officials, educators, and even students. The Sizer program consists of beam, column, and concept mode. But Sizer's beam mode allows users to design beams, joists, or panels. They can enter their element properties in the beam mode interface, followed by the applicable loads by clicking on the Loads View icon, which is shown in the menu bar. Once the data has been entered, simply click on the calculator icon. By doing so, Sizer will design the structural member and generate a design results page. If you have any questions relating to the software, please feel free to send us a message through our Contact Us page, which can be found at the top right corner of our website. You can direct your question to technical support or the sales department, depending on your inquiry. The WoodWorks software allows engineers to design wood components into their projects. It is quick and easy to design beams, columns, connections, and shear walls. We also link to softwares like Revit for Sizer for engineers that need to incorporate wood components into a model. Talk to the experts at CWC for more information on the software and how to include structural wood into your upcoming designs.